wonderful. Gentleman is now recognized to explain his amendment.
With that admonition, I will keep it brief, Mr. Chairman. This amendment requires the Department of Justice to consult with the Secretary of Defense and the Director of National Intelligence before initiating a prosecution of an alien who is committed or is thought to have committed a terrorist offense. What this does is it makes certain that folks at DOJ are talking with people in the intelligence community and at the Defense Department before DOJ decides to prosecute an alien in a federal court. So they have to speak with, there are 3 individuals identified at the Department of Justice: the Attorney General, the Deputy Attorney General, or the Assistant Attorney General who heads the criminal division. One of those individuals has to consult with the Director of National Intelligence and the Secretary of Defense about 2 main things. Number 1, whether the prosecution of the individual for a terrorist act should be in federal court or whether it should be in a military commission. And number 2, whether that individual should be transferred into military custody. What's the point of this? The point of this is to make sure that before DOJ steps out to prosecute one of these individuals, that the people who would have intelligence on them, if any exists, make sure that they're brought into the loop. I also sit on Judiciary Committee, and this language reflects a lot of the thinking of Chairman Smith, and in fact we got a waiver on this particular amendment. So I ask you to support this amendment.